If you are someone who's a digital marketer, a social media marketer, or anybody on the internet who's sharing links, well, in this video, I'm gonna share some amazing growth hacks which you can use just using a simple tool, and this tool will give all the superpowers to your URL. So without wasting more time, let's roll the intro. I don't have an intro. Let's get started. And the name of the tool is Switchy. By the way, before I proceed, hi, my name is Vaibhav Susanti, because I forgot to introduce myself. And make sure you click on the subscribe button. And if you like the video, do hit the like button, because that helps this content to go to a lot bigger set of audiences. All right. I'm new to YouTube. I don't know all this pretty well, but what I know is how to use this tool. So let me show you that. All right, guys. So this is Switchy. It does a bunch of things. Ideally, it's basically a URL shortener like Bitly. So I'm very sure you've heard of what Bitly is. Bitly basically shortens URLs, right? A lot of you must have seen this URL where I could simply copy whatever URL that I want. Let's say my website, and when I click on the shorten one, there you go. Bitly will basically give me a shortened URL. Which will eventually take back to my own website. So usually you use Bitly to make longer URLs short. Well, Switchy does everything around that, but it has superpowers. Now, I don't want to run you guys through this landing page. Instead, I really want to show you what are the capabilities. But before I go there, right, let me quickly show you why I'm making this as well. So if you go to susanti.com/switchy, you will be taken to the Appsumo landing page. Now, why am I taking you guys to this Appsumo landing page? This is, by the way, an affiliate link. The reason I'm making this video right now is because I didn't want you guys to miss out on this deal. So Switchy is running a $39 deal for life right now, and I think is amazingly powerful. So let me quickly make that straight already, okay? But the actual price of this tool is about, I think, $50 a month, if I'm not wrong. It's actually a pretty expensive tool, and it makes sense as well. There you go. $47 per month, which is pretty expensive, right? But anyways, let me show you, I'm talking about the price, but let me show you what the tool is capable of, right? So you can see I've been using this tool extensively. Let's say I found this really nice Forbes article about LinkedIn content marketing, and I want to share it with my audience. Okay. Now, when I go to my LinkedIn and click on this and share it with my audience, you can see that there will be a preview. There you go. It comes up with an image and a title. Well, the problem with this, according to me, is the image is not very relevant. As a result, I don't think a lot of people in my audience will actually click on this tool. But what I would want to replace this is with an image of mine, so that people can think that this is a good article and there is relatability because I'm sharing it. As a result, it might have higher CTRs. So what you can do with this is you can simply paste the URL here and click on switch it. There you go. This is the first thing that I'm showing you guys. It is superbly powerful. It has a lot of things that it can do, but I'm showing you the basics right now. Okay. You can see something called as upload a new image. If I click on this, it will basically load it, but you can basically click on this and upload a new image. Now, what will this do? Let me show you. Okay. Let's say, let me find a nice little image. I found a funny one. I don't know if I should do this, but okay. Let's say this is the image that I would want to add. Okay. I uploaded the image. You can see it's loading. The other things that you can do is I can change the title as well. So if you see here, it says council post. I might want to remove it, right? So I will remove this. There you go. And now you can also have a meta description for other social networks. But for now, you can see the image has already changed. So without changing much here, what I will do is, you can see choose domain name. So here I've added my own custom domain. You can add up to 10 custom domains per account, but I've added link.susanti.com using CNAME. Very straightforward. You will be able to figure it out with simple Google. If you don't have any URLs, if you want to use like a bit.ly link, you can say hi.switchy.io or swiy.io as well. But since I've added my own domain because I want to make it, branded, so I will say Forbes LI. Okay. It says a tick mark. That basically means the URL is available. Click on get new link, and there you go. It has generated me an URL right now. If I copy this, go to LinkedIn this time, discard, and let me share this link again. And if I leave it to load, now ideally the image and also the title should change. Okay, I will do the same thing for Facebook page as well. Why not, right? There you go. I've added this here as well. There you go. You can see the image custom image has changed to my image, and I also have removed the council post thing. So what this means is you can change an image of any article. So guys, I've done this for a link for a Forbes post. It's not my own blog article. You can change the custom image of any article. Now there is one other very big use case of this, which I personally use for, is basically the URLs here. So on the featured section, you can upload your own links, and usually you would want something very, very customized for this. So you can literally use any of your website URLs, put it here and change the image. You can design these images on Canva and do it yourself, right? It's pretty powerful. Now that is only one thing about this powerful tool. Okay, now let's go back to the dashboard and let me show you one more use case. All right, so I have this LinkedIn masterclass. It's an online course on how you can leverage LinkedIn. I sell it for $1,300. Okay, so I just copy this and I'm showing you something super powerful. Okay, I'll share this link, click on switch it. Now the thing is, the tool, the course is actually pretty expensive for the Indian audience, because if I convert that, it comes down to somewhere around 1 lakh rupees. So I have built a other product, which is the LinkedIn 5-day workshop, which comes for 500 rupees only. But this is something that I've designed for the Indian audience. So what I want here is, whenever someone from anywhere in the world clicks on this link, they should go to this specific URL. But when somebody from India clicks on the URL, I want them to take them to this page, which is a different URL in itself, right? So this can also be done using this option called as advanced options. When I click on this, you see multiple options open, and there is something called as geolocation. If I click on this, I paste this URL, the 5-day workshop URL here, which is a lead magnet, probably not the full course. And when I say India here, there you go. There you go, that's it. I can add other countries as well if I want to. Let's say I want to do the same thing for, let's say, Bangladesh, and I want to do the same URL for, let's say, I don't know, Malaysia, right? There you go. So if anybody is from India, Bangladesh and Malaysia, I want them to come to this page, while the rest of the world should go to my $1,300 course page, right? The moment I do that, if I click on get my link, there you go, it has given me a link. If I copy and if I just paste the URL, guys, bear in mind, I'm in India, so ideally it should be taking me to the 5-day workshop, not the $1,300 course. Let's see if that works out or not. There you go. It has taken me to the LinkedIn 5-day workshop, and if I was in the United States, it would have taken me to this page. How powerful is that? You can segregate users with one URL. All you're giving is one URL, but based on the geolocation, based on where the person is, this tool is redirecting the customer to the respective destinations. In fact, there is something else as well, which is extremely powerful according to me. If I click on this edit button, again, just probably not the best example for this one, but I wanted to show this option, which I use extensively. So what happens is, I run my program and I add people to multiple WhatsApp groups. Let's say I want to start a marketing WhatsApp group, just an example. Okay, when I share it on LinkedIn, thousands of people might be interested. As a result, groups might get filled up very fast. But the problem is, I have to wait for 250 people, 256 people to happen, and then I have to come to this tool and update the link, which I don't want to do. Okay, so what I want to do is automatically segregate. Let's say there are 1,200 or 1,500 people that are going to come. I want to automatically divide them into 5 different groups. So with rotator A/B testing, I can do that. If I can just simply click on add destination, and let's assume that my URL is WhatsApp 1 and the other group is WhatsApp 2. So I can say whatever the percentage is, 25%, add one more link, and I can say WhatsApp 2 and I can say 25%, and add one more link, WhatsApp 3, and I can say 25%. And if I save this, let me update my link. Now look at this magic. Okay, obviously the URL is gonna fail because there is no URL called as WhatsApp 1. But if I just run this, you can see it has gone to getsysinti.com/WhatsApp1, which doesn't exist. If I just click on this again, it's going to a different URL again. You see, it has gone to WhatsApp 3 now. So obviously there are no URLs here, guys. That's what is happening. This time it's going to WhatsApp 3 again. It's random, 25%. Like I said, WhatsApp 2 again this time. And if I load it again, WhatsApp 2 this time. So it's going to be customized. What it's going to measure is it is going to make sure that 25% of your audience is going to different links. As a result, it is spreading the audience across. Now, how is this actually useful apart from the use case that I just told you? Guys, this is very powerful when it comes to an use case where, you know, let's say you're A/B testing it. You have built 5 different landing pages and full traffic, you want to split them into different URLs, different landing pages, and see which landing page is converting better for you. So you could absolutely use that. That is why this tool has been built, right? So this is something called as A/B testing. Now I feel the most powerful thing, let's quickly edit this Forbes link this time. Okay, the most powerful thing out of this tool is the Facebook pixel, or any pixel for that matter. I can click on add new pixel. You can see there are a bunch of pixels that you can add. What does it mean? You can use an external link to retarget users, people who have clicked on that link. Let's say I select Facebook here and I can add my pixel here, but I've been using this tool for a while, like I told you, so I already have my pixel installed. I can just select my Facebook pixel. The Forbes article is here. All right. And I've called it Forbes LI. Everything is okay. I'm going to click on update my link. All right. Now, folks, when I share this URL on my LinkedIn or Facebook groups, imagine Facebook groups, right? I can just share this URL. Found this amazing article on Forbes about LinkedIn content marketing, right? Let me know what you think. So basically, I shared this URL on my LinkedIn. Now, what this will basically do is whenever someone clicks on this URL, right, you see it is going to, if you look at it for a split second, look at the URL. It goes to Forbes LI and then it redirects to the Forbes article, the actual article. What this will essentially do is every time we do this, it is basically feeding the Facebook pixel of mine, because of Facebook pixel that I've added. For example, I'm going to show you some other one which has enough data. You can see this pixels have been integrated. For example, there is this talking marketing with Tanmay Bhatt. Let me quickly open this URL. The other thing that you can do is stats as well. So it shows you like in-depth stats about any link that you can see 700 clicks, 694 users, and all the clicks and everything around it. But the most important thing is 694 users have clicked on this link. Okay, so what I can do right now is just an example, folks. Let's say I click on this link to copy the link. Now I can simply go to my Facebook Business Manager, right? And can simply go to Facebook Business Manager, click on this, click on audience, and basically create a custom audience based on people who have clicked on this link. Guys, bear in mind, this article in this example was a YouTube link. For example, let's say if I take this Forbes article only, there are 5 clicks already because I shared that on my LinkedIn. So it has already got 5 clicks. But again, those 5 people have clicked on this link and they're going to a page which is not owned by me. It's on a Forbes article, right? But the beauty is I can retarget all those people and start showing them an ad. So here, what I've shared is a Forbes article about marketing. Now, a lot of people who are interested about marketing, LinkedIn marketing, might click on the article because it's a Forbes link, right? But if I share my own blog article, not many people might click it, right? Now, what I can do here is go to audiences, click on create audience, custom audience, click on website, and I can select, guys, you can slightly slow this up if you're actually using it. Right, I can select who visited the specific page, and I can share this URL that this link is, which already has 6 clicks right now. So I'm gonna share this URL with the Facebook Audience Manager. Okay, there you go. I've added this link. Let me quickly do that again, and now I can call it, I don't know, Forbes article, right? And then just click on create new audience. Now what this will basically do is it will create an audience. In fact, you can build a lookalike audience. I can create an ad for all the people. I can literally create an ad for all the people who have clicked on that link. Now these people have clicked on the link. You can see any article. I mean, I can just create any consideration that I want it to be, right? I'm gonna just continue. So you get my point, right? In custom audience, you can see I've selected Forbes article. What that means, I can literally show an ad to everybody who has clicked on that link of a Forbes article, not my own article. Think about how powerful this strategy could be. Imagine you share this link as a traffic ad in itself and generate cold audiences to click on that article. And as a result, a lot of people will click on that article because it's a Forbes article. As a result, you will drive traffic to a Forbes article, but it's feeding your pixel. As a result, you can start showing them an ad. How powerful is that, right? So that is all that you could do with this URL. In fact, think about this. You share this article on Facebook groups saying that, hey guys, found this very interesting Forbes article. You might want to check it out. Big Facebook groups. And people are going to click on this because you said it's a Forbes article, right? And if you share a random article, people are going to comment saying that, oh, this guy is a spammy guy. So people are going to click on it, check out the article. As a result, you are leveraging the audience of that Facebook group. You're literally stealing the audience of that Facebook group and starting to show them ads. How powerful is this? And all this, the tool does, it's actually a $50 tool, like you can see, but you could do all of that with this tool just for $40 on Appsumo. For that, you can simply go to sysintl.com/switchy or click on the link in the description and you will find that link. PS, it's an affiliate link. When you click on that, it won't cost you anything, but I might make a small commission for the sale that you might trigger. All right. So guys, what I have taken is actually, if I quickly run you guys through the thing also, right? If you pay $39, it gets you 30,000 clicks, which is probably more than enough for most of you people. It can allow you to upload up to 8 custom domains to shorten your URLs. You can do that, unlimited links and every option out there. I've actually taken 60,000 clicks. Let me quickly check. I think I've taken 60,000 clicks. Billing. There you go. I've taken 60,000 clicks, you can see, because I run a lot of ads and I've already used up 24,000 clicks this month, right? So it is very, very, very powerful if you're able to use it right. And if you're a social media marketer, digital marketer, URL shortening, you know for a fact, is a no-brainer. Stop using Bitly, start using this, brand your links up already, and then make your URLs smart, which is very, very, very important. All right. So that is what I wanted to share with you people in this video. I hope you learned a lot. I mean, it's okay if you don't want to buy the tool, but at least you know for a fact what are the capabilities, what are the kind of things that you can do with amazing tools if you can find them in the right time and right place. All right. So that's basically it about this video, guys. I hope you found it interesting. If you liked the video, drop a like button. Click on the like button. Again, like I said, I'm new to YouTube. So smash that like button, click on the subscribe button, and definitely hit the bell icon, because next time I share a video like this, you will not miss it. All right. With that being said, I hope you guys take care and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.